Hello everybody, it is Andrea and it is October 1st, 2022, and that brings us to 91 days, 2 months and 29 days until the end of the year. We are in the beginning of the fourth quarter of the year, and today, for those Disney fans out there, marks the anniversary, the 40th anniversary of Epcot. That brings me to one of my amazing influencers as a child, Mr. Walt Disney. He had a dream, he had a vision, and he didn't stop at anything to make sure anything got in his way. Look it up. He's experienced turmoil from the community, he's gotten backlash from his employees, and he has went bankrupt several times. But he had a vision and a dream and persevered to make it come true. And although some of the authentic diehard Disney fans say that today's Disney is not quite what Mr. Walt Disney has in store, but it still allows his legacy to leave and to be lived on. That of the Imagineering, that of the dreams, that of coming together with family and celebrations and reminiscing and making magical moments and memories last forever. What is it that you desire to do? What is something that you can do, that you will and have done or will do, even if you don't get paid? Andrea, have you seen today's society? I need to bring in income. I need to provide for my family. I need to provide for myself, and I need to be established. Yes, that is part of it. But when you truly hone in and find your passion and do what you love and doing whatever it takes, your perseverance, passion, patience, and diligence will allow it to come to fruition. Do what you love, be creative, ask yourself what you're good at, ask others what they consider you as being the go-to person. What can you do days on end and nights on end and on weekends that you love doing? And then put it to the test and start helping individuals. For me, many decades, I provided a community service to individuals who had conditions of limited knowledge, limited experience, had the label of stereotype and stigmatism upon them. And all I wanted to do, in my words, that of the street sense, I just want to help people, man. That's all I want to do. I love talking to people, learning new things, sharing stories, learning about their experiences, their trials and tribulations, and walking down the path of their imagination, of their dreams, desires. What is it that they love? What is their coulda, woulda, shouldas, and wants? And then together we come up with a strategy, a technique, and the proof is in the pudding. When they have passion, they have patience and perseverance, that's when the beauty comes to fruition. What is it that you love? What is it that you enjoy doing? What are you good at? Are you a problem solver? Are you someone who lightens the environment, the mood, and tells jokes or make people laugh? Are you the creative one where makes arts and crafts, drawings, a composer of music, of someone who takes the difficult and keeps it simple? Are you an organizer like me, likes to organize things and have a proper strategy, time frame, and knack for keeping it simple but getting it done? Find out what it is. Look at your life. What puts a smile on your face that you enjoy doing? And then, if need be, and you're ready, connect with me and let's make that dream become a reality. There's going to be areas of improvement. There's going to be room for growth. There's going to be aches and pains, celebration and gains, wins and grins. But it is also fearful. It's taking that leap of faith, walking out to the unknown and uncertain, stepping out of your comfort zone and doing what you love. Follow your passion. Follow your heart, not the herd nor the hurt. If you are going to work somewhere or do something for hours on end, why not do what you love? Do it with passion. And that's when the growth and success happen. Today's video was brief, but welcome to October. We today threw on Christmas music. I know, brace yourselves. We threw on Christmas music because our family loves Christmas. It brings back memories, milestones, moments, and emotions of love, gathering, togetherness, sharing, smiling, caring, and loving one another. So if you're brave enough, throw in some Christmas music that tugs at the heartstrings but can make you sing. And get ready for autumn and fall and October. A new month, a new you. We've got October, November, December, 3 months to allow you to meet and exceed your fullest potential. If you need help, guidance, support, or just someone in your corner rooting you on without judgment and without ridicule and without excuses and giving you just results, I encourage you to connect with me, AndreaMasons.com. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your accountability coach, where I bridge the gap from where you were to where you are to where you deserve to be by making your dreams and goals become reality. In this crazy game of life, you have a choice and a right to press play. Plan life according to you. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join me at AndreaMasons.com to redeem your free gift. And I thank you for listening and I thank you for watching. Know that I am here. Te amo.